What's up, y'all? Your girl Nakita, your favorite paramour, back with another video. But we doing a little something different today. We're doing some hair maintenance. So I'm making this shampoo for my daughter's hair that are dandruff prone. And so this is African black soap and coconut oil, neem oil, eucalyptus, peppermint, and frankincense. Okay. And so we're going to make this into a liquid so that we can go ahead and shampoo my daughter's hair with this. And the reason I use coconut oil, you can use any carrier oil that you like. The reason I use coconut oil is because it does have a lot of antifungal properties as well as it is antibacterial and kills bacteria. So it's very good for that. And so is neem oil, has the same things, antifungal, antibacterial. I went ahead and I used 1 tablespoon of neem oil that I made. So it's not essential oil, so it is okay to use it by itself if you just wanted to do it by itself. Now, you need to use at least 1 cup of carrier oil per 30 drops of essential oil. So you want to make sure that you're doing this because essential oil is very strong. It is not like mixing it or making it yourself with an oil. This is very, very concentrated. So you want to make sure that you're using a carrier oil of at least 1 cup per 30 drops so that you can avoid irritation. I am using a 2-quart kettle with my water on 200 degrees and pouring this into a glass jar, obviously, because of the fact that it is going to be sitting on. Now, I am just stirring it up so I can get it nice and consistent as far as melting. However, it takes at least 24 hours for it to melt. So, you do want to go ahead and shake this up once you put the top on, obviously, and let it cool for 24 hours. You want to shake it really, really well. And you can come back and forth every couple hours shaking it if you're paying attention. Or you can just leave it overnight like I did. Here, I am going to use some cheesecloths to go ahead and get those extra pieces of African black soap cleared out of there. And as you can see, it was a big fail. However, it did actually work out because I just realized, hey, put all the African black soap into the pots and then decant over the jar. Duh. But that was something that I should have thought about it first. Um, it was a long night. Don't come for me. But I will be using the remainder of the African black soap. I'm somebody who does not like to waste, okay? I will be putting that in a face mask so that I can um, get the exfoliating properties from it. So once you're done decanting, make sure that when you put it into whatever container it is that you're going to use, make sure that you are using dark containers. So I say a dark glass container or a dark brown plastic container. I have a plastic container. I couldn't find a glass container with a pump, so I had what I had available. But yes, I will link everything in the description box as far as to where I got it. So once you clear out all that African black soap that's left over all of the chunks, you want to make sure that you're getting all of that out of there because you don't want it cutting any parts of your hair out or irritating your scalp or anything like that. So once you're done there and it has cooled, decant into your container over the sink because the African black soap can stain. You do want to make sure that, again, it's cool before you put it in whatever container it is that you're going to use it. I use it within a month, so I don't really know shelf life past 1 month. I would only suggest 1 month because, again, African black soap is food, and I don't know. A month is normally how long it lasts me, anyways, as far as this jar is concerned. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, baby, if not you, then who? And I will see you guys soon. Love you. Mwah.